Hey guys, Kapper here. How's it going today? Not sure what today's episode is about. Wait, what? I don't have to wear this in my car? Oh, dang, thanks for telling me. I had to stop at the VA. It's kind of nice though. There's no waiting in lines. The parking lot's empty. You don't have to park 4 miles away. So that part of it was kind of good. Anyways, just wanted to say hi. Let's get into today's video. I'm not sure what it's going to be. I guess I'll leave this off for now. Kapper here. Today we're going to run the Ford F250 Super Duty. And I have towed a little bit heavier, but we're looking at almost 15,000 right here. 9,300 the base spec, plus I think I put 300 more weights on it, counterweights. And that heavy duty bush hog is around a ton, I believe. So it's 14.6, 14.7 right in there somewhere. So let's see how the Ford does. I mean, like I said, I've towed heavier, but this time I'll document a trip and kind of give you the pros and cons on how this thing hauls, because this thing is just fantastic, the Super Duty. I mean, I wish I had gotten this 10 years ago for sure. Alright, so I got to come up this hill. I'm back in this little trailhead up here where two of them meet. So I got to head up this trail a little ways, and I'll hit a little bit of rough gravel. So this spot that I'm going to be pulling out of this property is all rough ground. You know, there's nothing smooth about it. Potholes and whatnot. A little bit of rough 3-inch here. So we'll see how it rides in the rough stuff. And then we'll hit actually the public road is almost worse than this with potholes, but we'll see how she rides. I have no doubt as far as the power. I'm just kind of trying to show you guys the smoothness of it. All right, so I got the dash cam on. Come on, baby. I didn't even have to lock in the rear diff, and it's uphill. It's not a big incline, but it's just enough. Yeah, I mean, I've been very impressed with this truck now. I've had it for, I don't know, maybe a year or so, but it's been everything I had hoped for and more when it comes to towing and smoothness and reliability. And this one does have the super tow package on it, which I believe beefs up the rear suspension just a little bit more than the standard F250. I think so. This I think is the Super Duty with Tow Max or something like that. It's the diesel 6.7, I'm pretty sure. This road right here needs the power grader on it, man. That's what this thing needs. But its service is like, I don't know, half a dozen houses up here. Alright, so this exit is a little tricky up here. It's uphill and it's gravel, and the right side you're going to see is a blind side. So with the trailer on, it's going to spin, but I'll give you a little bit of taste of the power once we get onto the onto the asphalt here. So down here, right there where that truck's coming with flashers, that's all you could see. And it's a 55-mile-an-hour highway. And he's poking along at like 10, but that might help us with a slow vehicle over there. And then this way you could see plenty over here. Let's get on here. I mean, it's just no power, no lack of power on acceleration. And for whatever it's worth, right now this engine, everything is way over. I'm getting beepers and buzzers. The coolant needs to be flushed. The oil change is over, fuel filter, but with this virus, it's a little behind. I got an appointment next week to get it all taken care of. Well, at some point we're gonna end up passing this guy, but we're in town right now, so I'm gonna wait till we got plenty of room out on a 55 highway. So yeah, speaking of crops and that, our soybeans, they're trying to come back from the deer carnage, but so far it's no good. There's just a few plants here and there, and the ones that they bit off, there's actually some leaves growing on them. So it's, you know, we're not dead in the water yet. We'll see. So my average fuel economy without towing is about 19 to 20, and for a diesel 3/4 ton, I think that's just awesome. I'm going to reset this here in a second. You're going to see it drop while towing the heavier trailer. Well, looks like we're going to lose our farm vehicle, but I can mash it anyways, just see what she's got. Once I get out past the 40 zone, actually I'm only doing 20. 35, 42, 50. Now we're in the 55 zone. So no problems with acceleration, man. This thing is just a beast, and it's still legal. You know, it hasn't been bypassed or deleted, I should say. So it still has all the emission stuff on, and there's still plenty of power to spare. Okay, we got a pretty good uphill right here. Starting to rain, of course, obviously. I figured out the brake on it, but so far I'm good. Oh, there it is. It's 3 degrees uphill. As far as braking goes, I've not had any problems. Of course, I got trailer brakes. This road here is twice as steep, at least, as that one incline we hit, and it's very winding. I'm gonna put this descent on. I'll show you that. That's what I just put on, the hill descent. So now the hill descent is on, and it's using the engine braking. Anytime you hit the brakes, like I just hit the brakes, so now it's holding the hill descent. Right now we're at 5 degrees, 6 degrees downhill. Let's see what this uphill is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Alright, it's 5. I thought it was 6. Heck, even our driveway here, we're at 4 degrees right now. Oh, there's a deer. Looks like she's limping. So overall, definitely I've been pleased with the Ford. Not sure how long I've had it now. Seems like 6, 8, 9 months maybe, I don't know. But it's been excellent for towing, no doubt about it. So don't forget, if you enjoy our content, hit the like button, we appreciate it. And subscribe if you enjoy this kind of land management stuff and country living. Catch you on the next go around.